What's up, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I got some really honest things that I just want to share with you. First and foremost, I just want to thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel, that has liked my content, that has said nice things, that is helping me to continue to grow and to grow my channel and to get this information out to as many people as I possibly can. I got some awesome things that I want to share with you today. I want to share with you first and foremost some recent results, and I also want to show you a couple of things from 5 or 6 months ago when I was getting started as to where I am now and just what can happen with the power of belief. If you believe in yourself, if you believe that you're worth it, if you believe that you can do it, if you believe that you're just not going to stop, you're not going to quit until you get the results that you're seeking. And today I got something super powerful for you, you guys. I hope that you really soak this in. I know that you're gonna like this. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. First things first, you guys, before we jump into all this exciting information that I have to share with you today, if you are brand new to this channel, the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. And you can do that right over here. There's a little button that says click me. You can click that and subscribe there. You can also subscribe below this video. There is a red box that says subscribe. There's a little bell notification next to that box. Make sure that you click both of those. Most importantly, make sure that you click that bell notification, you guys. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with brand new content, and I am coming out with at least 2 to 3 brand new videos a week where I am teaching you all the techniques that I am using and great ways that you can make money online. The second thing that I would ask you to do is please make sure that you give me a thumbs up, like these videos, you guys. It really helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this information out there to as many people as possible, and ultimately that is my goal. I really want to see people make as much money as possible and quit their jobs and work from home. So that helps to get this information out there. It also helps to grow my channel, obviously. So thank you very much. Let's jump into this. I want to tell you exactly about what has got me so excited today, and I want to show you a little bit of footage of 5 months ago when I was getting started as to where I am now. And I was watching these videos the other day and just comparing and contrasting from what has taken place in my life within this 5 months is literally just insane. So let's go ahead and do that. I want to show you the first video that I created, and it took me, you guys, several days to create this video. I was reading a script. I wrote the script, but I was reading a script, and it was very painful. And then the second video that I created, we'll show you that after that. And I literally did this, you guys, within maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and the quality and the presentation that I was able to generate with such little effort is just insane. And I'm not trying to toot my own horn in any way in this entire video, you guys. The reason I'm telling you this, I don't want it to come off like I'm bragging. The reason I'm telling you this is because I want to instill the belief in you that if you believe in yourself, that if you be you, and that if you don't quit, and if you really want to do this and you want to make money online, that you can do this, you guys. And I can show you exactly where to get started. I can show you where I got started. You can get started literally practically for free, you guys, and be up and running in 15 days building a business. So let's show you the first video first. We won't go through the whole thing, but I want to show you at least a small clip of that. Hey, congratulations on making it to this video. My name is Chad Bennett, and I just want to say thanks for checking out my story and actually taking a step forward, raising your hand and saying, I want to see how I can make a change in how I'm living my life. It's funny, but if you think about it, most people in the world just sort of suffer in silence, working a job they hate, and they just sort of go on and live their life as if there's no other alternative. You know what I mean? But a small number of people in the world actually do make a change. They hit a point where enough is enough, and they decide to do something about it. And they take back their life. And those few individuals go on to change everything for themselves, their families and loved ones, and are the owners of exciting, happy, and fulfilled lives. And just a few short weeks ago, I did just this. I was sick of living paycheck to paycheck, just scraping by to make ends meet. I was sick of being told when I needed to show up and what time I could go home to my wife and daughter. I was sick of having my wife work a 9-to-5 job while someone else watched and raised our daughter all day. And most of all, I was sick of working so hard to make someone else filthy rich. So the video that you just watched, you guys, I made that 5 months ago, and that video was a crazy struggle for me. When I first got started, especially filming myself on camera, it was extremely difficult. If you've ever done this before and experienced what it's like to start filming yourself on camera and making videos, if you are not naturally somebody that's always on camera, I imagine that it would be quite a struggle for you. But what I want to point out to you guys is that this year I made a decision, you guys. I made a decision that I was going to do affiliate marketing, and all I needed to do was figure out exactly what I needed to do. I needed a blueprint. I needed someone to take me by the hand and show me what to do. And that's exactly what happened. And I created that first video. Is that first video horrible? No, it's not horrible, in my opinion, but it's not the greatest either. You know, it was honest. It was the best I could do at the time. And this next video that I'm going to show you, is it the most amazing video? No. But I think what you're going to see is within a 5 months time span, just by believing in myself and by applying myself daily and not giving up and setting goals and just changing my mindset. Mindset is so big, you guys. If you can change your mindset, if you can start consuming things that are going to change your life and modeling people, like modeling individuals that you want to be like, you can literally change your life. And I guarantee that. Make sure that you stay with me till the end of this video, please, because I'm going to show you some results. These results are happening to me right now. I woke up this morning looking at these results, and it still got me on fire, you guys. It still got me going nuts because it's just insane. I have spent so much money when I was getting started trying to do paid advertising, and I started following an individual online, an individual called Nathan Lucas, Freedom Influencer. Shout out if you're watching this video, bud. Thank you. This gentleman literally has had a hand in changing my life. He gives out incredible, valuable information. And I've just been doing what he said. You know, I found a platform that I could build my business on, and I'm just not going to stop. So let's jump into this next video and make sure that you stay with me till the end because I want to share with you these incredible results. Hey, how's it going? My name is Chad Bennett, your Make Money Online coach, and today I am super excited because if you have reached this video, what it means to me is that you are ready to make a decision to change your life. And what is most exciting to me is that you have reached the right place, you guys. I have struggled for so long, you guys. 15 years I've been at it, trying so many different business models, chasing my friends and my family around, trying to get them to buy lotions and potions and patches and DVDs and all kinds of crazy stuff. I wish I had found this 15 years ago, you guys. 6 months ago, I got started right here where you're at right now, and I made a decision. I have reached a point in my life, and I finally found a solution that was capable of actually showing me step by step exactly what I needed to do to create a successful online business and how to do it fast. So if this is a situation that you're in and you want to get time back on your side and you want freedom, if you want to fire your boss, if you need a more flexible work schedule, if you just want to be hanging out with your wife or your kids or whatever it is you want to be doing to really enjoy what it is that you like to do in life, this is exactly where you want to be. There is a red box directly beneath this video. You want to click that as soon as possible. What it's going to do is it's going to take you to a web page, and there's a gentleman named Dave Sharp there. Dave Sharp, some years ago, got started with affiliate marketing, and before that, he was a drug addict. He was broke. He lived in a tiny house with his wife and his kids. He could barely pay the bills, you guys. Dave Sharp struggled so bad, but he figured out a way, a business model that you can actually copy. He gives you his blueprint, and you can copy his blueprint of success and implement exactly what he did, what took him so long to do, what he struggled doing for so long, and he gives you the exact success formula that you need to be successful online. And the best thing is, you guys, it'll only cost $7 right now. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you decide this isn't for you, well, you get your money back. So it's practically for free, you guys. There is nothing to worry about. There are people that will call you, that will hold you by the hand. By the end of this 15-day challenge, you guys, you will have a business, you will be up and running, and you can be making money in 15 days. Do not delay. Get started right now. So what you just watched is my new video for my affiliate funnel. It's my bridge video, and it's super honest. It's literally, I did not script that at all. It is from the heart, and for me, it's super powerful, and it was super powerful just to watch the difference in those two different videos. I wanted to share that with you because I wanted to instill in you that if you really believe in yourself, like I've been saying, that you can achieve so much, you guys. You just really have to commit and just really want it, and you can do it. And what's most exciting to me is that you're on the right page. The link to changing your life is right below this video, chadbennettlive.com. There's a link below this video. You can click that. It'll take you directly to my webpage where you can give me your name and your email. I'll send you out a video. I'll get you started working with my team, making money online. Like I said, practically for free. It's not really where I want it to go, but yes, you guys, that is exactly a spot. That is the exact spot that will start changing your life today. So what I wanted to show you that has got me so excited. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video, by the way, you guys, if you have stuck with me so far. This information that I'm going to share with you right now has got me insane stoked. This is my first video that has gone viral. And I remember a month or two ago when I was watching Nathan Lucas, he was saying on one of his videos, just keep making videos. It's like throwing darts at a dartboard, and eventually you'll hit a bullseye and your video will go viral. And you guys, I think that is exactly what happened. I'm not tooting my horn, like I said, in any way, you guys. This is viral for me, you guys. I'm new to YouTube, so I'm sure that maybe there's some of you that get way more views than this. But for me, this is insane results. Let's jump over to this. I wanna show you guys this, you guys. So this is this morning. I woke up today from 5 to 6 a.m. I had 228 views. Then the next hour, from 6 to 7 a.m., I had 1,547 views, you guys. These little tabs over here literally were saying like 45 views a minute. And that was driving me insane. I was clicking all over the place looking for, different spots on my analytics because I couldn't believe what was happening. I thought it had to be fake. If you continue on here, the next hour, 1,426 views, then 1,334 or 344 views. So today, you guys, in total, I'm almost up to like 10,000 views. And if you watch this over here, this is 60 minutes. This is a live view, and this is tapered off obviously a little bit. It's not getting the 45 views a minute like it was getting, but I'm getting like a view to 2 views all the way up to 4 views a minute on this video. And to me, that is insane exciting because I've paid a ton of money in the past, you guys, to try and do paid advertising. And now what's happening, all my hard work is finally starting to tilt in my favor, and it's starting to really kind of take off here a little bit. And it's exciting to get these results because to get 4 views in a minute is just insane. It's literally insane. I hope you capture that. If you've been doubting yourself whether or not this is for you, whether you can do this or whatever's holding you back, if you want a life of freedom and you want to change your life, you can absolutely do affiliate marketing. And I can't stress it enough, you guys. I know I've said it a ton and you're probably tired of hearing it in this video, but Legendary Marketer, you guys, they have changed my life. If you want to get started today, if this is exciting to you, and I want you to know that you can do this, go down below this video, directly in the description. I've left a link for you there. It's to my webpage, like I said, chadbennettlive.com. Click on that, give me information, get started today, you guys. Pay the $7. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what? $7 is nothing. You can go to McDonald's right now and buy, a hamburger for $7. That is nothing. If that is what's holding you back from your dreams, you guys, you need to get past that real quick. Get started today. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for listening to me on this video. Super exciting stuff happening over here. Like I said, thank you again for supporting me, for subscribing, for liking my content. I greatly and sincerely appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.